Hello, if you want to adjust the slow motion video on Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, then the first thing that we can do is, for instance, open the gallery in order to find the video. So, of course, once you record it, you can find it in the gallery, and once you open it, you can press this pen icon at the bottom of the screen. By doing so, we will edit the video. Now, over here, we have the range of the slow motion. Anything outside of these lines is in normal speed, and everything that is inside these lines is in slow motion. Of course, you can extend it to the full video length so that the whole video will be in slow motion, but you can also just adjust it in a way that only small part of the video is actually in slow motion. If you are wondering if you can adjust the slow motion speed itself, for instance in the camera app, then unfortunately it is not possible. We only have one speed, and that is in 120 FPS. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.